Hey, have you ever seen one of these? An etching, pictures made by scratching or etching lots of lines into the surface of metal or wood and then printed. Now, you can create really good etched effect by sketching in straight lines, a sort of sketch etch. Now, I'm doing a very simple sketch of this ship at sea, and you can do anything you like. You can do a still life, a scene, even animals, but just do the outlines, no detail just yet. I'll put another sail in there just to finish it off, I think. Now, brown pencil or crayon works really well for this, as it creates a sort of woody effect. So, OK, now for the shading and detail. Instead of using a sharp knife to etch, I'm going to use my coloured pencil to sketch etch the lines onto the paper. Just draw parallel lines, like this, on your picture, just to shade the areas that you want darker on your pic. See that? Just parallel lines. Just flicking them across like that. And round the edges of the clouds. And don't forget the waves. Again, all in the same direction. And a couple there. And if you want to shade slightly darker, just do the lines closer together or press harder and make them thicker. I'm doing these really close together on the headland, see that? And to get it even darker still, how about going in the other direction? A sort of cross etch. And don't forget to etch in little bits of detail, not too much. Like that. And some lines across there, like that. And for the background, how about etching in the opposite direction? Look at that, going the other way. Again, all straight lines, all fairly straight. This is really good for backgrounds as it gives a sort of contrast. And there it is, a sketch etch. And it works brilliantly like this in brown, very traditional and authentic and old-fashioned. Or you could try it any colour you like. How's about this landscape scene in green? Or maybe even a still life in red. But again, still all sketched and etched with straight lines. Try it yourself. Shade a picture with straight lines in one colour and create a sketch etch.
Sheer brilliance! Just draw lots of straight lines to create an all-day worldy etched effect. Hey, I did a load of lines on some paper too the other day. Do you want to have a look? A load of lines! Get it?